Okay, Aruna. So let's sit in Vajrasana, Thunderbolt pose. If you are comfortable in Vajrasana, hands in front of your chest in Namaste position. Prepare your mind, your body for the Yogasanas. Take the deep inhale and exhale. And now we will start the session by chanting three Oms followed by three Shantis. Deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms together. Generate the heat. Place them onto your closed eyes. And whenever you feel ready, by looking at the lines of your palms, you can open your eyes with a smile. A very good evening. Namaste. Welcome to Get a Grip. I am Justine, your yoga coach. So, as we discussed that there is no health condition, so we are going according to that. Okay, so this is Vajrasana or Thunderbolt pose. So this asana, this is very good for digestion. And our yoga class, it will be divided into three parts: asana, pranayam, which is breath work, and meditation. This is how we wanna proceed. Okay, all right. So, do you have the yoga belt with you? Okay, great. So we will. Okay, no worries. No worries. Okay, first place the belt aside. Let's start with the warm up. We will be doing the warm up in Vajrasana. Deep inhale, look all the way up. Feel the stretch at the front part of your neck. Exhale, look all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale 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 down. Inhale up. Exhale, come back to the center. Inhale, look to the right side. Exhale to the left side towards the left shoulder. Inhale right. Exhale left. 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 Inhale right and stay here 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now change other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back to the center. Now use the belt or the resistance band. Take the deep inhale. Go all the way back. Exhale all the way forward. So please take care of inhalation and exhalation. Inhale back. Yes, very good. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Yes, open up your chest. Look all the way forward. 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now come all the way forward. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Once again, go all the way back. Stretch to the left side. Open up your chest. Look all the way up. Exhale to the right side. Inhale left. Exhale right. 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 Inhale left. And stay here. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep your arms straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now change. Other side. 10, 9, 8. Chest open, arms straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back to the center. Place the belt aside. Very good. Yes. Now left hand on the left side. Right hand up. Look all the way up. Exhale. Right hand down. Left up. Inhale. Left down. Right up. Exhale. Right down. Left up. Inhale. Left. Exhale right. Inhale 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 left and stay here. Very good. Yes, stay corrected. Very good. Look all the way up. Feel the stretch. Palm facing towards you. Yes, Aruna, palm facing towards you. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now change. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now we will be coming in Dandasana. Legs forward. Yes. You might feel a little bit stretch, a pain in your legs, but it's completely normal. Okay. So first, some hand movements. Yes, make a fist. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, and close. Very good. Now hands at the back. Feet rotation in circles. Try to touch the sides of your feet onto the mat. Very slowly. We are not in any hurry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back to the center. Now we are going to do Paschimottangasana. First you will observe, then we will do together. Both the hands up. And on exhale, try to touch your stomach onto your thigh. Even if your hands are reaching till here, it's fine. Okay, let's do it together. Paschimottangasana, very good for digestion. Inhale, both the arms up. Exhale, all the way down. Very good. Try to touch your stomach onto your thigh. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, 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 inhale up, and exhale down. Very good. Stay here. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Both the arms up. And now exhale to the left side. Try to touch your forehead onto the mat. Very good. If you can, very good. Keep on pushing. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale to the right side. Same way. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Very good. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. One last time with the hold. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side. Hold here. 10 deep breaths. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now both the arms up. Very good. Now to the other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back to the center. Well done, Aruna. Yes. Now hands at the back. Yes. Bend your legs. Very good. Place them onto the right side and to the left side. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. One last time. Right and to the other side. Very good. Yes. Now from here we will be doing Janu Shirsasana. So bend your right leg, left leg is straight. Janu Shirsasana. Deep inhale all the way up. Exhale, bend all the way forward, the maximum that you can. Yes, again here our goal is to touch our stomach onto our thigh. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 3 more times. Last one with the hold. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last time. Inhale up. And exhale down. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, two, and now both the arms up and down. Very good. So now other side, change the side. Very good. Is your back okay? I hope it's not hurting. Okay, great. Inhale up, exhale, Janu Shirsasana on the other side. Inhale up, exhale down, 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 inhale up, exhale down. Last three times. Last one with the hold. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, and exhale down. Stay here. 10 deep breaths. Very good, Aruna. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now both the arms up and down. Very good. Now open up your legs in front of you. Yes, try to grab your toes and try to bend all the way forward. You will feel stretch at the inner part of your thighs, which is completely normal. Can you feel the stretch? Yes? Okay, great. Stay here. Take the deep inhale and exhale. Feel your breath. No judgment. And now from here, join the soles of your feet together and come in butterfly pose. Very good for hormonal health. So grab the butterfly, flap the butterfly up and down 20 times, 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Now try to bend all the way forward. Feel the stretch. Stay here. Now once again, come all the way up. This time 30 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. Now once again, bend all the way forward. Stay here. Very good. And now from here, come all the way up and come in Mallasana, garland pose. Elbows inside. Again, a very good posture for managing the hormones. Very good for PCOD, very good for reproductory organs, and very good for pelvic floor muscles. Okay? Yes. Very good. Try to press the elbows inside. Take the deep inhale. Heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, and stay here. 10, 9, very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now come all the way up. Stand on your mat. Neutralize your breath. One hand on your chest, one on your belly. If you want to sip water, you can, but only a sip. You can neutralize yourself, neutralize your breath, relax. Stay here, take the deep inhale and exhale. Now open up your legs, hip width apart. Yes, hands on your thighs. First look all the way up and now come all the way down. Place your one hand onto your stomach and we are going to do the standing Kapalabhati. If you are having high blood pressure or you are in your periods, then go slow. Otherwise, you can go fast. Let's start. Yes. Forceful exhalation. Are you comfortable? Okay. 1, 2, up to 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. All the way up. So you have done Kapalabhati before? Okay, great. Very good. Now one more time. All the way down and start. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good, Aruna. Come all the way up. Stretch your back. Sometimes, whenever we are bending forward, it can lead to little bit back pain. So we are going to neutralize our back to the back side. Very good. Very good. And now take the wall support with your nearby wall. Yes. Bend your back. Stretch here. You will feel stretch in your hamstrings, in your calf muscles. Very good. Now deep inhale. Lift your right leg up. Oh, you don't have space? You can go to that wall. Yes. Deep inhale. Lift your right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale 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 up. And stay here. Very good. Try to stabilize. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Leg down. Very good. Stay here. Very good, Aruna. Stay here. Prepare your mind for the other side. Yes, very good. Deep inhale. Lift your other leg up. Exhale down. Inhale 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 up and stay here. Very good. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Leg down. Yes. Now lift both your heels up and down. Heels up and down. Heels up and down. Heels up and down. Very good for your calf muscles. Inhale, heels up. Exhale, down. Heels up and down. Heels up and down. Heels up and down. Heels up and stay here. Very good. More up, more up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Yes, very good. Now come back to the mat on the starting point. Let's do Surya Namaskar. Yes, starting point of the mat. Very good. Stand straight. Shoulders in one straight line. Look straight in Samasthiti. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Prepare your mind for Surya Namaskar. So first two rounds we will be doing fast. Means at normal pace but little bit fast. Third and fourth round we will be holding and fifth round it will be super fast. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Ekam inhale, lift both your arms up. Doe exhale, both the arms down. Training inhale, look straight. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga plank position. Punch inhale, look all the way up in Bhujangasana, shoulders down, elbows naturally bent. Shat exhale, come in mountain, Adho Sapta inhale, jump forward, look all the way straight. Ashto exhale, all the way down. Nava inhale, both the arms up and Samasthiti. Very good. Round 2. Ekam inhale, both the arms up. Doe exhale, arms down. Very good. Look forward. Trini inhale, look all the way down. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga, plank position. Punch inhale, come to Urdhva Mukha, Bhujangasana. Shat exhale, come to Adho Mukha. Sapta inhale, jump forward, look straight. Ashto exhale, all the way down. Nava inhale, both the arms up and Samasthiti. So let's do with the holding now. Ekam inhale, both the arms up. Hold here. So holding it increases our endurance, our flexibility. 10 deep breaths here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now both the arms down. Stay here. Very good. Lift the one heel up and down, heel up and down, one heel up and down, heel up and down, 10 breaths, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now look all the way up. Very good. Look straight, back straight, and now jump back to Chaturanga, plank position. Now turn to left side and to the right side, left and right 10 times. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now come to mountain, Adho Mukha. Very good. Stay here. Now lift both your heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down. 5 more times, heels up and down, heels up and down, heels up and down. One last time with the hold, heels up and hold here. Very good, Aruna. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Very good. Now jump all the way forward. Very good. Very good. Yes, look all the way down. Stay here. 10, 9. Keep your back straight. 7. Very good. 6. Now look straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now both the arms up. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and come back to Samastiti. Very good. So shall we start the fourth round? Comfortable? Very good. Ekam inhale, both the arms up. Stay here. Very good. 15 counts. Stay here. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now both the arms down. Very good. Stay here. Very good. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and now look all the way straight. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now from here jump back to Chaturanga. Very good. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and now come in mountain. Stay here. Feel the stretch at the back part of your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and now jump forward. Stay here. And now all the way forward. 5 breaths here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now both the arms up. And Samastiti. Very good. Last one round, very fast. Ekam inhale, both the arms up. Dvaya exhale, arms down. Trini inhale, look straight. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Punch inhale, come to Urdhva Mukha. In the previous round, we have not done Urdhva Mukha purposefully. Shat exhale, come to Adho Mukha. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Ashto exhale, look all the way down. Nava inhale, both the arms up and Samastiti. Very good. Now you can neutralize your breath. If you want to sip water, you can. One hand on your chest, one on your belly. Take the deep inhale and exhale. Neutralize your breath. Very good. Okay, so shall we proceed further? Great. Now we are doing the second pranayam, which is Bhastrika. Hands at your side. Now lift both the arms up and forcefully exhale in Bhastrika. 20 times, 3 rounds, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Some shoulder rolls, front and back, because it greatly affects your this area, cervical area. Shoulder rolls, front and back, few times. And whenever you feel ready, you can start with round 2. Both the arms up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Again, shoulder rolls, front and then back side. Prepare your mind for the last round of Bhastrika. Very good for your core. Very good. Pranayam, breath work. Okay, let's start. 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 20, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Relax yourself. And now if you want, you can take any cushion, or if you don't want it, then also it's fine. Now sit on your mat in Sukhasana. Few shoulder rolls, front and back. Front and back side. Very good. Yes, and now open up your hands, your arms. Feel the stretch in your back. Some back movements. And forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Open up your chest. You will feel a good stretch in your back. Very good. Stay here. Can you feel the stretch, Aruna? Great. Stay here. Few deep breaths. And now all the way down. Other side. Few deep breaths here. Very good. 5, 4, Stay. Very good. Three, two, and one. Very good. Come back to the center. Now your one hand in chin mudra. This is chin mudra. Index finger touching the thumb. Other hand on the nostrils. We are going to do the Chandra Vedan pranayam as it's the summers as well as it's the night time. We need calmness. So that's why we are going to do the Chandra Vedan pranayam, where we are going to inhale from the left nostril as well as exhale from the left nostril. Okay, it links with the moon. Chandra. Chandra means moon. Okay, hand in chin mudra, your thumb on your one of the nostril and ring finger on the other nostril. So take the deep inhale from the left nostril. Exhale again from the left nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. Take the deep inhale and exhale. We are going to do inhalation and exhalation from the left nostril. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Continue at your own pace for 1 minute. खुद से प्रयास करेंगे for 1 minute. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. And now we can come all the way back. And now we can close our eyes, both the hands in chin mudra, index finger touching the thumb. And we will chant Om for 1 minute. If you feel the closing of the eyes is not comfortable to you, then you can simply focus on any unmoving point. Anything is fine. So let's do with the audio. Let's chant together Om. Can you listen to the audio? Is it audible? Okay, great. Let's start with the Om chanting for 1 minute. One last time. Now we can lie down on the mat in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart, fingers naturally curl. You can remove any tight bags if you are wearing. This is your relaxation time, and we are going to do the body scan relaxation in Shavasana. Starting from the toes, going all upwards towards the head. Take the deep inhale and exhale. Feel the relaxation coming from the Mother Earth to your feet, relaxing your soles of the feet, the toes, and the upper part of the feet. Now your both the feet, they are completely relaxed. Now this relaxing energy, it is going all the way up, relaxing your calves, your shin bone, your knees, thighs, and hamstrings. Relaxing your glutes and your genitals. Now this relaxing energy, it is going all the way up, relaxing your stomach, your chest, your lower back, mid back, and upper back. Relaxing your shoulders, your arms, hands, and fingers. Now interlace your hands, your fingers, and take a deep stretch like you wake up in the morning. Stretch, 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 and relax. One more time, take the deep stretch. Stretch, 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 and relax. Now, this relaxing energy, it is going all the way up, relaxing your facial muscles, your eyes, nose, lips, forehead, front part of the head, your hairline, back part of the head. Once again, relaxing your eyes. Now, your entire body, it is completely relaxed. Feel this relaxation, enjoy it. Now, whenever you feel ready, you can turn to your right side and sit in Sukhasana with your eyes closed. Whenever you feel ready, you can turn to your right side. We are not in any hurry. Whenever you feel comfortable, hands in front of the chest. Pay gratitude to everything around you. Say thanks to your mind, to your body, to this entire universe. Feel the blessings. And now we're gonna end the session by chanting three times peace, which is Shanti, and by praying the well being of everyone in this world. Let's chant three times Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms, generate the heat, place them onto your closed eyes. And whenever you feel ready, by looking at the lines of your palms, you can open your eyes with a smile. Thank you, Aruna. Thank you for joining. Take care. You're welcome. See you in the next class. Take care. Any questions if you have, then you can ask. Otherwise, we are good for the day. Okay. Oh, thank you. Please do join the next session too. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.